explain how you could create a virtual classroom in the event your school needs to close because of the recent virus outbreak. If you're using RM Unify, the tools and tiles you need and the links will be on RM Unify. If you're not using RM Unify, the links will be put onto the school website and the details about these links will follow. In RM Unify, simply go to Drive as normal. On the top right hand corner, on the 9 squares, the mosaic, go to Google Meet. This opens up a Google Meet session. Now simply click on to Join or Start Meeting. When prompted, type in your name and continue. I am just going to switch off my microphone because I'm making a video and the feedback will distort what I'm saying, but obviously you wouldn't do this. But once you're on this screen, you click on to Join Meeting. And here you're presented with an address that you need to give students in order to join this virtual classroom. So I'm simply going to copy that link. I am now going back to RM Unify or my school website for those without RM Unify, and I'm clicking on the tile called Virtual Classroom. From here you will see a spreadsheet which you can edit, and along the bottom you will see your school, and next to your name simply paste that URL from the meeting. Students now go to RM Unify or the school website, and they will also see a link to the virtual classroom, which I'm going to click onto here. They simply go to their virtual classroom, they see exactly the same spreadsheet, but obviously for students this is read only. They would go down to find their teacher, and once they find their teacher, here they can again find the link to your meeting. They click onto this meeting, they click onto Join Meeting. Again, just for demonstration, I'm going to switch off my microphone. And now the student is in your meeting. So you, from your meeting, are now presenting to that student. You can see who's in your meeting by clicking here. And if someone is in your meeting that you need to remove, you can remove them from your meeting here. And most importantly, once you're in your meeting, if you go down to the bottom right and click on to Present Now and choose your entire screen, then what you're presenting on your screen will be shown to the students. So therefore, if you have a Google slideshow or a PowerPoint, the students would then see that in real time as you are talking. And when you've finished, you simply hang up here to leave this Google meeting. Next lesson, you go through exactly the same procedure, and you may well find that the link to the meeting is exactly the same, in which case you don't need to go back to the spreadsheet to change the address. But obviously, if the link has changed, you do need to go there so the students are always on the latest address they need to join your lesson. If you have any technical problems, please email your support consultant or your network manager within your school who should be able to help, or email me on dfitzpatrick@rm.com, or give me a call on 07775 824 656. Thank you.